Alright, Pythagorean theorem. Today your learning target is I can solve problems using the Pythagorean theorem. I can also decide if a triangle is a right triangle or not. Anyways, here we go. We have a right angle, that's 90 degrees, and the right angle is made up of two things that will be called legs. And the other side, the opposite side, the longer side, is called the hypotenuse. Alright, well, like I said, the hypotenuse is the opposite side of the right angle. It's the longest side. And the legs, make up the right angle. Alright, with that said, we're going to look at this triangle, right angle. That means this is the hypotenuse. We're going to say that C is considered your hypotenuse and A and B make up the right legs, and your equation that you're going to use for the Pythagorean theorem is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So on this one, we're going to say 16 is C and A equals 9, B is an unknown. So of the A squared plus B squared equals C squared, we're going to have 9 squared plus B squared equals 16 squared, like so. So we will get 81 plus B squared equals 256. Subtract 81 to both sides of the equation, and we will get B squared equals 175. To get B, you have to square root a square to cancel out, and you'll get B equals, actually not quite equals, but approximately 13.23. Rounding to the nearest hundredth, that is 2 decimal places. Alright, this is the next one. B equals 8, A equals an unknown, and 15 equals C. So again, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So we'll have A squared is the unknown plus 8 instead of B, and 15 instead of C. Squaring this, you're going to get A squared plus 64 equals 225. Subtract 64 to both sides. We'll have A squared equals 161. Square root both sides, you get A is approximately 12.69. Alright, so this one doesn't have a shape, but the A's, B's, and C's are given. At least 2 out of the 3 are given. C is unknown. So of the equation, A squared plus B squared equals C squared, we'll put 18 for A, 24 for B, and C will be C squared. So we'll get 324 plus 576 equals C squared. Adding those up together, you'll get 900. And you square root both sides, and you get 30 equals C. This time use the equal sign. Last one of like these. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. A is unknown. B will be 100 squared. C will be 25 squared. So A squared plus 100 equals 625. Subtract 100 to both sides of the equal sign. So A squared equals 525. Square root both sides. A is approximately 22.91. Okay, to determine if these form a right angle or right triangles, that means A squared plus B squared equals C squared will work. So we're going to go 7 squared plus 12 squared equals the C value squared. So I'm going to get 49 plus 144 equals 225. This gives me 193 when I add these together. equals 225. That's not true, and since it's not true, then it's not a right triangle. Alright, last one here. We're going to have the a value, b value, and c value. So you're going to have 27 squared plus 36 squared equals 45 squared. So you'll get 729 plus 1,296 should equal 2,025. Adding these together, you get 2,025 equals 2,025. That is a true statement. Since it's a true statement, these three numbers give us a right triangle. Okay, there you go.